We got a new 5th gen 4Runner in the shop, and we're doing something a little bit different on this one. I've got the SDI E-Clik suspension system here, and this is a fully electronic automatic dampening suspension system. It's got a few cool parts to it, and basically what happens is this is going to plug into your OBD2 sensor, and it's going to be making adjustments to the suspension at 500 times a second. The E-Clik system has 3 terrain modes. You have trail, street, and desert, and it's going to predict and adapt to the terrain and driving style. It also has a Pro mode, which gives you free adjustment to the pitch, roll, turn, throttle, and brake sensitivities. You've got 10 levels there, and you can save your settings in the system. So there's 2 main components to this outside the shocks. You've got the ECU here, and you also have an 8-axis controller. This is going to measure pitch, roll, braking, kind of how the vehicle's moving. And then the ECU is going to be taking inputs from your vehicle, such as throttle position, steering wheel position, and braking. It also has a rear payload mode for those of you that are towing or adding a lot of weight to your vehicle. It will adjust based on the cargo and tongue weight. So the E-Clik system is going to improve overall traction and braking. It's drastically going to reduce body roll in the corners. All that together, this system is going to be making adjustments about 500 times a second, giving you the best performance and best ride out of your vehicle. And if that's not enough, SDI offers an integrated light controller that's going to give you 4 independent channels and offers seamless control to all of your auxiliary lighting from the E-Clik touchscreen. This system is IP69K rated, so it can definitely hold up to the conditions, and it comes with everything you need, including a mount for the controller, harnesses, and the shocks themselves. So this system is for the Toyota 4Runner. It is available for the FJ Cruiser, the GX series of vehicles, and the Toyota Tacoma as well.